Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and tech to give you the inside scoop. Today, we've got something special on the table: the Huawei Matepad 11.5 Papermatte Edition. It's not your ordinary tablet, and we're here to find out why. The Huawei Matepad 11.5 Papermatte Edition, it's not just another tablet. With its unique screen technology and promising features, it's aiming to stand out from the crowd. Let's break it down. First up, let's talk about design. The Matepad Papermatte keeps it sleek and simple. At just 6.85mm thick and weighing 499 grams, it's lightweight and comfortable to hold. The aluminum construction gives it a sturdy feel, and thin bezels add a modern touch. But what really sets the Matepad apart is its screen technology. The Papermatte Edition features a special anti-glare etching that promises to reduce eye strain. And let me tell you, it delivers. Using it late at night, I noticed a significant difference in eye comfort compared to other tablets. Speaking of screen, the Matepad doubles as a great e-reader. The monochromatic display mode combined with the anti-glare etching makes reading a breeze, especially for those prone to migraines or eye sensitivity. Now, let's talk cameras. While tablets aren't typically known for their camera prowess, the Matepad holds its own. With a 13-megapixels rear camera and an 8-megapixels front camera, it's perfect for document scanning and casual photography. Under the hood, the Matepad packs a Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor, 8GB of RAM, and 256GB of storage. It's snappy and responsive for everyday tasks, but the real challenge comes with software. Due to Huawei's restrictions, the Matepad lacks access to Google Apps, which can be a deal-breaker for some. While Huawei has its own ecosystem, it may not be as robust as what you'd find on other tablets. Battery life on the Matepad is solid, with a 7,700 mAh battery that can last through a full day of use. And with 18W fast charging, you'll be back up to full power in no time. So, should you buy the Huawei Matepad 11.5 Papermatte Edition? If you're in need of a tablet that prioritizes eye comfort and readability, it's a great choice. But if you're looking for a more versatile option with access to a wider range of apps, you might want to explore other alternatives. And that wraps up our review of the Huawei Matepad 11.5 Papermatte Edition. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews. Until next time, happy exploring!